the 5th lesson of this module, you will learn how to format decimal places and data styles and add thousands separator. You will learn how to display currency symbols and numbers as a percentage, change font styles, size and color, apply bold, italic, underline and double underline styles in a spreadsheet. Apart from these, you will also learn to change cell background, copy format from one cell to another cell, or range of cells, and wrap content in a cell or cell range in a spreadsheet. Finally, you will also learn how to align text horizontally and vertically, change text orientation, and demonstrate how to merge cells and add a border. To start, click the Next button. Excel makes it easy to add number formatting to a worksheet by using icons on the Home tab of the ribbon. Follow these steps to format the decimal places of a number. Select the desired cell by clicking over it. To increase decimal places, click the Increase Decimal button on the number group on the Home tab. The decimal place will increase by 1 decimal. You can add more decimal numbers by repeating the same action. Now click the Decrease Decimal button to decrease the decimal places. The decimal places will decrease by 1 decimal. Apart from increasing and reducing decimal places, you can also add and remove thousands separator using the number group. Follow these steps to add thousands separator to a number. Select a cell that you want to format by clicking it. Click once on the comma style button in the number group. The number will now display with thousands separator. Now to remove the thousands separator, click the Number Format drop-down and select the option General Formatting. The thousands separator will be removed. Excel supports several date styles that you can configure based on your requirements. Follow these steps to change the date style. Select the highlighted cell. It is currently showing short date format. Click the Number Format drop-down arrow on the number group. A drop-down list will appear. Then select the long date format. The format of the date will change. You can also format a number in your Excel sheet as a currency and show the relevant currency symbol. Follow these steps to display or change the currency symbols. Select a cell that you want to format by clicking it. In this example, we will select the highlighted cell. Click the Accounting Number Format down arrow button in the number group. The drop-down list of the different currencies will be displayed. From this list, select the Pound English UK option. The selected cell will display the number with the pound symbol. Excel worksheets use percentages as interest rates, growth rates, and inflation rates. When you apply the percent style format to a value that has already been entered in a cell, Excel multiplies the value by 100 and displays the result with a percent sign. To get actual percentage value, enter the adjusted value before applying the percentage sign. Follow these steps to apply percentage values. For example, to enter 50% value, select the highlighted cell. In this cell, type 0.5 using the keyboard. Click the percentage button in the number group. The cell will display a value of 50%. Now, let us see how to change the font style and size in Excel. The default font style and size for a new Excel worksheet is Calibri and 11, respectively. You can change this font style and size. Follow these steps to change the font style and size. Select the highlighted cell by clicking it. Click the Font Down arrow button in the Font group on the Home tab. A drop-down list of available font styles will appear. From this list, select the Arial font. Now click the Font Size down arrow button. A list of available sizes will appear in a drop-down. From this list, select the size 14. Text in the cell will be modified as per selected values. Follow these steps to apply bold style to cell content. Select the cell or the range of cells that you want to format. In this example, we will click the highlighted cell. Then click the Bold button on the Home tab in the Font group. Bold format will be applied to the text in the cell. Alternately, you can also press Ctrl+B on the keyboard to make the desired text bold. Follow these steps to italicize the text in a cell. Select the cell or the range of cells that you want to format. In this example, we will click the highlighted cell. Then, on the Home tab, in the Font group, click the Italic button. italic format will be applied to the text. Alternately, you can also press the Ctrl+I keys on the keyboard to make the text italic. Follow these steps to underline the text in a cell. Select the cell or the range of cells that you want to format. In this example, we click the highlighted cell. Then click the Underline button in the font group on the Home tab. Underline format will be applied to the text. Alternately, you can also press the Ctrl+U keys on the keyboard to apply underlines to the text. Follow these steps to apply double underline style to cell content. Select the cell that you want to format. In this example, we will select the highlighted cell. Then click the down arrow of the Underline button in the font group. A drop-down list will appear. Select the double underline option in the drop-down. The text in the cell will have double underline format. Follow these steps to change the color of cell content. Select the cell that you want to format. In this example, select the highlighted cell. On the font group in the Home tab, click the Font Color down arrow button. A range of color options will appear on the screen. Select the desired color from these options by clicking it. In this example, we will select the blue color. The color of the text in the selected cell will be changed. Follow these steps to change the cell background color. Select the cell you want to format. In this example, select the highlighted cell. Then click the Fill Color down arrow button in the Font group on the Home tab. A range of color options will appear on the screen. Select the desired color from these options by clicking it. In this example, we will select the color blue. Follow these steps to copy a cell format to other cells. Select the cell that has the formatting that you want to copy. In this example, select the highlighted cell. Click the Format Painter button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. The shape of the mouse pointer will change to a painted brush. Then, to copy the formatting to another cell, click the cell, and the formatting of the cell will change. In this example, we will click the highlighted cell. Content format of the cell will change. Follow these steps to copy a cell format to a range of cells. First, select the highlighted cell. Double-click the Format Painter button. The shape of the mouse pointer will change to a paintbrush. Now, left-click on the top highlighted cell and drag the mouse to the lowest cell in the range before releasing the button. The content format of the cell range will change. You can also apply formatting to multiple cells that are not adjacent by following these steps. If you want text to appear on multiple lines in a cell, you can format the cell so that the text wraps automatically. Follow these steps to wrap the text content of a cell. In a worksheet, select the cells that you want to format. In this example, we will select the highlighted cell. Then, we will click the Wrap Text button on the Home tab in the Alignment group. The text content of the cell will wrap and appear within the cell. You can follow these steps to wrap text in multiple cells. All you need to do is select multiple cells and click the Wrap Text button. Follow these steps to align the content horizontally within a cell. In a worksheet, select the cells that you want to format. The content in the cell is left aligned. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click the Center button. The text in the cell will be center aligned. In the same group, click the Align Right button. The text in the cell will be aligned to the right. In the same group, click the Align Left button. The text in the cell will be aligned to the left. Follow these steps to vertically align the content within a cell. First, select the cell or cells that you want to align. In this example, we will select the highlighted cell. The content in the cell is currently bottom aligned. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click the Middle Align button. The content of the cell will move to the middle. In the same group, click the Top Align button. The content of the cell will move to the top. Click the Bottom Align button. The content of the cell will move to the bottom. The orientation command is used to rotate text in a cell to a diagonal or vertical orientation. This command is often used to label narrow columns. Follow these steps to change the orientation of content within a cell. Select the cell or cells that you want to format. In this example, we will select the highlighted cell. Then, on the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click the Orientation down arrow button. A drop-down menu for various orientation options will appear. Select one of the options by clicking it. In this example, we will select the option Angle Counterclockwise. The orientation of the cell content will change. When you merge two or more adjacent horizontal or vertical cells, the cells become one larger cell that is displayed across multiple columns or rows. When you merge multiple cells, the contents of only the upper left cell appear in the merged cell. Follow these steps to merge multiple cells in a worksheet. First, select the cells that you want to format. In this example, we will select the highlighted cells. Then click the Merge and Center button on the Home tab in the Alignment group. Cells in the range will merge and the content will move to the center. By using predefined border styles, you can quickly add a border around cells. Follow these steps to apply a border to a range of cells. On a worksheet, select the cell or range of cells that you want to add a border to. Then click the Borders down arrow button in the Font group on the Home tab. A drop-down list showing various options for borders is displayed. In this example, we will select the option All Borders. Borders will be applied to the selected range of cells. Excel provides you with different border styles and colours. Follow these steps to apply different border styles. Click the Borders down arrow button in the Font group on the Home tab. A drop-down list showing various options for borders is displayed. In this example, we will select the Border Colour option. The colour palette showing various options for border colours will be displayed. Select the desired colour by clicking it. In this example, we will select the blue colour. Then select the cells to which you want to apply this border and click the Borders button on the Font group. The colour of the borders will change to blue. You can also change the line style of the border. Click the Borders down arrow button in the Font group on the Home tab. A drop-down list will appear. From the drop-down list, we will select the option Line Style. The various options for line styles will be displayed. Select the line style you want to apply. In this example, we will select the option of Double Line. Then select the cells to which you want to apply this line style and click the Borders button on the Font group. This new border style will be applied to the selected cells. Practical exercises.